Have you ever considered participating in a clinical research study? For most people, the answer to that question is no. Many are unaware of the importance of these studies and benefits that are available to volunteers. Clinilabs, a contract research organization, CRO, with many years of experience running clinical trials, is located in both New York City and Eatontown, New Jersey. Both facilities host clinical trials that are sponsored by global pharmaceutical companies. Clinilabs has been conducting studies of this nature since 2001. As a premier, full-service specialty CRO, Clinilabs has been selected to provide exceptional clinical development services by pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical device companies alike. The company has successfully completed hundreds of clinical trials in the New York metropolitan area.
Clinical trials are research studies that involve the testing of new investigational drugs or medical devices. Such trials are done in order to evaluate new drugs that have not yet been approved or are pending approval by the FDA.
Our goal is to manage studies that help pharmaceutical companies develop new treatments for medical disorders, treatments that represent new and effective therapies to help those in need. Clinilabs' dedicated and friendly doctors, nurses, and clinical personnel have extensive experience conducting clinical studies. Their clinicians are affiliated with prestigious institutions such as Columbia University and other local colleges. Why should you consider volunteering? There are several benefits to volunteering for clinical trial studies. In many cases, study volunteers are compensated for their time and travel, the amount of which varies depending on the study design. Clinical trials also offer alternative, new treatment options for those suffering from specific diseases. Participants may receive physical exams, blood work, and other services that normally cost hundreds of dollars. These services are typically provided by highly trained personnel who are among the top practitioners in their field, offering a high level of clinical care. While the procedures performed are study-related and may differ from what might be done in a regular doctor's office, the participant can obtain copies of reports to take to their own doctor for review. Finally, as a clinical trial volunteer, you are participating in the study of important new investigational medications. These are drugs that may later be approved to help treat people who suffer from medical conditions. Clinilabs study volunteers are referred to as medical heroes.
Clinilabs is currently screening participants in many different types of clinical trials, such as diabetes, healthy volunteers, Alzheimer's, depression, hepatitis, and volunteers of Asian descent. If you or someone you know is interested in participating in a clinical trial, please contact us to learn more. There are several ways you can participate in a clinical trial. You can complete an online questionnaire by visiting www.clinilabs.com/prequalify. You can call our dedicated recruitment team at 212-994-4567, or you can text volunteer to 313131.